Hey, it's Tyler here from Rehab to Fab Designs, and we are on episode 10 of our renovations at the Clayton Mountain Cottage, and today we are going to be working on the vanity in the bathroom. As you can see here, it was in pretty yucky shape. It looks like it had been painted before at some time and had some sort of glaze over it. It was really yucky and dingy and bled, so we started by sanding it down. I sanded it first with my DeWalt sander on all the flat surface areas, and I intended to just start by giving it a good scuff sand, but I ended up sanding it basically all the way down to the wood grain. I then came in with my Surf Prep sander and started trying to get some of the paint out in between the more curved areas that the DeWalt couldn't get to, because I thought for a minute about just leaving it as raw wood and doing a wash. But I ended up deciding to just leave it as is and come over it and paint the whole thing over in a new color from Dixie Belle. As you can see here, Remington is trying to help me pick colors, and we had an array of different blues and teals that we were going for, and ended up going with vintage duck egg. As you can see here, my handy helper and social media director and content creator Remy is helping me out, so if you don't like kids, you might want to skip this part. Okay. Hey, it's Tyler and Remy from Rehab Designs. And we're about to start painting this bathroom cabinet. But first, we selfie. So I did a poll on social media to see what color you guys thought I should paint the cabinet, and the resounding answer was the vintage duck egg. I initially started with antebellum blue, as you can see over here in the corner, but I just thought it was too dark and too much of a contrast in this bathroom. The original plan for the owner of the house was to try and make over this bathroom without having to replace the countertop that was on this vanity. The countertop is dated due to the cream color of it, however, it was actually in very good shape. We originally thought about doing an epoxy pour over it just to give it an updated look and trying to do a marble look. However, the sink is actually built into the vanity top or the countertop itself, not separate, and so there was no way to do that, and it remained intact and in good shape with it having water use every day. Since we weren't going to replace the top, I decided to go with the vintage duck egg because I think it complements the cream color of the countertop. And using the right decoration in the room, as you'll see later, will actually help pull it all together. So, now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about the paint. I'm using chalk paint by Dixie Belle. I love chalk paint for furniture and cabinets because it's easy to apply, it dries fast, and it leaves a beautiful matte finish. I didn't prime these cabinets because I sanded them down basically to raw wood so that they're dry and there's no worry about adhesion on these. After applying one coat of paint, I sanded it down with 400 grit sandpaper to make sure it was nice and smooth. I wrapped my paper around my sanding block just to give myself something to hold on to. Once my paint was completely dry, I came in with 2 coats of Clear Coat Flat by Dixie Belle to seal it. This is what it looks like. My partner in crime sure seems to like it, or it could be the nutty bar he's eating. Here it is, all sealed up and ready. As you can see, we also did the entrance to the bathroom here by making over the hallway. You can check out videos on our YouTube channel for that as well. For the vanity, I sealed it up. I ordered new hardware from Amazon that you see here, and then we also did some decorating in the bathroom to complete the look. As I mentioned earlier, I used my decorative choices to help pull the look all together. I picked up this round mirror from Walmart, which is super popular and on trend right now. It is a natural wood perimeter, and I think it goes well with the countertop to pull in that cream color. That way everything matches and doesn't look so dated. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation and makeover. Please continue to follow along with all our makeovers on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.